Did you know over 35% of major ignition-related engine failures start with something as small as a bad spark plug? That tiny part sitting inside your engine controls combustion temperatures hotter than 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, fires thousands of times every single minute, and directly affects your fuel economy, engine power, and even how long your engine survives. But the shocking part is, smart mechanics use a few simple spark plug tricks that can help engines last an extra 50,000 miles or more. These tricks are used by taxi fleets, high-mileage Toyota owners, and even professional mechanics to keep engines running smoothly past 300,000 miles. In this video, we will discuss 11 spark plug tricks that will help your engine last over 300,000 miles or even 500,000 miles. Let's get started. Trick number 11. Always check spark plug gap before installation. Here is something shocking. Even brand new spark plugs are not always correctly gapped from the factory. Shipping vibration, accidental drops, and poor packaging can slightly alter the gap before installation. Even a 0.1 millimeter error can change combustion quality dramatically. According to automotive testing, an incorrect gap can reduce combustion efficiency by as much as 15%, especially in turbocharged engines. If the gap is too wide, ignition coils are forced to generate far higher voltage every single combustion cycle, which dramatically increases coil temperature and wear over time. If the gap is too small, the spark becomes weak and incomplete. That leads to rough idling, fuel waste, carbon buildup, and poor throttle response. Therefore, always check your spark plug gap before installation according to factory specifications that are usually set between 0.6 millimeters to 1.1 millimeters. Mechanics who specialize in long-life engines often recheck and adjust plug gaps every 10,000 to 15,000 miles instead of waiting for complete replacement. This simple correction alone can restore lost throttle response and reduce engine vibration significantly. Trick number 10. Never over-torque spark plugs. One of the most expensive DIY mistakes drivers make is over-tightening spark plugs. Modern aluminum cylinder heads are surprisingly soft, and stripped spark plug threads are one of the most common causes of catastrophic cylinder head damage. Some repair shops charge over $1,500 just to repair damaged spark plug threads because the cylinder head often needs to be removed completely. But the danger goes beyond thread damage. Over-tightened plugs can distort the plug body itself, which affects heat transfer and causes the spark plug tip to run dangerously hot. Excessive heat inside the combustion chamber can trigger detonation in pre-ignition, which mechanics often describe as silent engine killers. Many drivers think tightening plugs extra hard prevents leaks, but spark plugs are actually designed to seal correctly at a specific torque value. The proper trick is using a torque wrench every single time. Most spark plugs only require around 15 to 25 pound-feet, depending on engine design. That small detail can literally prevent thousands of dollars in engine damage. Trick number 9. Upgrade to iridium spark plugs. This single upgrade alone can add years to engine life. Traditional copper plugs wear quickly because the electrode slowly erodes from constant ignition heat. As the electrode wears down, spark strength weakens, combustion becomes dirtier, and carbon buildup increases throughout the engine. Iridium spark plugs are completely different. Iridium is an extremely hard metal with a melting point above 4,400 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it far more durable than copper or platinum spark plugs. Many iridium plugs are rated for 100,000 miles or more. Better combustion means less unburned fuel. Some mechanics report fuel economy improvements of 2 to 5% just after switching from worn copper plugs to iridium plugs. More importantly, engines tend to idle smoother, cold start easier, and maintain compression longer due to cleaner combustion chambers. This is why most modern Japanese engines now come factory-equipped with iridium plugs. Manufacturers realized cleaner ignition directly improves engine longevity. Trick number 8. Use dielectric grease on ignition coil boots. This tiny mechanic trick can save hundreds of dollars in ignition system repairs. Modern ignition systems operate at extremely high voltage, often exceeding 30,000 to 50,000 volts. Mechanics call this spark tracking, and once it starts, ignition coils often fail prematurely. But dielectric grease can prevent you from this premature failure. Dielectric grease acts as a protective barrier that blocks moisture and prevents electrical arcing inside the rubber boot. Professional technicians commonly use this trick on turbocharged engines. Always apply a tiny amount of dielectric grease during every spark plug service. It will dramatically extend coil life and prevent corrosion buildup. It also makes future spark plug removal much easier because the boots won't stick to the plugs after years of heat exposure. Trick number 7. Never use the wrong heat range spark plug. Using the wrong spark plug heat range can quietly shorten engine life for years before major problems appear. Every engine is carefully engineered around a specific combustion temperature range, and spark plugs play a major role in controlling that heat. A spark plug that runs too hot can trigger pre-ignition. On the other hand, plugs that run too cold may never burn off carbon deposits properly, leading to fouling and weak combustion. Turbocharged and high-compression engines are especially sensitive to incorrect heat ranges because combustion temperatures are already extremely high under load. Mechanics often see cheap aftermarket plugs causing rough idle, reduced power, and poor fuel economy simply because they don't match OEM specifications perfectly. That's why professional technicians strongly prefer OEM equivalent plugs from brands like NGK and Denso for Japanese engines. Engineers spend years calibrating ignition systems around exact spark plug characteristics, and changing those specifications carelessly can slowly reduce engine lifespan. Trick number 6. Read old spark plugs like a professional mechanic. Most people throw away old spark plugs without even looking at them, but experienced mechanics treat spark plugs like engine health reports. The color and condition of a used spark plug can reveal hidden engine problems months or even years before serious symptoms appear. For example, thick black carbon deposits often signal overly rich fuel mixtures, weak ignition, or excessive idling. And oily spark plugs may indicate worn piston rings or PCV system problems. Therefore, professional race mechanics regularly inspect plugs after track sessions because spark plugs provide instant clues about combustion quality and engine stress. Catching these warning signs early can prevent catastrophic failures later. A simple spark plug inspection during routine maintenance can reveal fuel system issues, cooling problems, or oil consumption long before they trigger a check engine light. Trick number 5. Never remove spark plugs from a hot engine. This simple habit prevents one of the most frustrating engine repairs possible. Aluminum cylinder heads expand significantly when hot, and removing spark plugs during this expansion dramatically increases the risk of thread damage. Mechanics have seen perfectly healthy engines ruined because a spark plug pulled aluminum threads out of the cylinder head during removal. Repairing damaged spark plug threads often requires helicoil inserts or complete cylinder head replacement, which can cost thousands of dollars on modern engines. Professional mechanics almost always allow engines to cool completely before beginning spark plug service. Taking an extra 30 minutes to let the engine cool can literally save the entire cylinder head. Trick number 3. Inspect ignition coils every time you change spark plugs. Here is a mechanic's secret most drivers completely ignore. Installing new spark plugs while leaving damaged ignition coils in place can actually reduce the benefits of the new plugs. Ignition coils are responsible for transforming battery voltage into the massive electrical charge needed to fire the spark plug. Modern coils regularly generate over 30,000 volts, and over time, heat and vibration slowly weaken them internally. Mechanics often discover cracked coil housings, burned boots, oil contamination, or carbon tracking during routine spark plug replacement. If these warning signs are ignored, the new plugs may still misfire because the coil cannot deliver stable voltage. A bad ignition coil also forces neighboring coils to work harder because the engine management system constantly compensates for weak combustion. Professional technicians carefully inspect every coil for cracks, corrosion, oil leaks, or burn marks whenever plugs are removed. Some even use scan tools to monitor coil firing patterns before failures become noticeable to the driver. Catching weak coils early prevents misfires, protects catalytic converters, and keeps combustion smooth and balanced. Trick number 2. Always clean the spark plug wells before removal. This tiny maintenance step can save an engine from serious internal damage. Over the years, dirt, sand, leaves, oil residue, and carbon debris collect deep inside spark plug wells, especially on engines with coil-on-plug systems. If that debris falls into the cylinder while removing the spark plug, even tiny particles can cause long-term wear because combustion chambers operate under enormous pressure and heat. Mechanics say neglected spark plug wells are one of the hidden causes of premature cylinder wear in dusty environments. Professional technicians always use compressed air or vacuum tools to thoroughly clean the wells before loosening the plugs. Some mechanics even spray light cleaner around heavily contaminated wells to break up hardened debris first. It's a simple 2-minute step that many DIY mechanics skip, yet it can dramatically improve engine reliability over the long term. Trick number 1. Proper spark plug installation. Most people think installing spark plugs is just screwing them into the engine, but professional mechanics know proper installation technique directly affects engine lifespan. Incorrect installation can cause compression leaks, weak grounding, overheating, thread damage, and even catastrophic plug failure. One major mistake is installing spark plugs at an angle. Mechanics recommend threading plugs by hand first to ensure proper alignment before using any tool. Proper seating is extremely important because spark plugs transfer combustion heat into the cylinder head, and poor contact can cause dangerous overheating. Professional technicians also avoid using excessive anti-seize on modern spark plugs because many newer plugs already have special coatings designed for proper torque accuracy. Correct installation creates stable combustion and ensures the spark plug performs exactly as engineers intended. Something as simple as careful installation technique can easily determine whether an engine survives 150,000 miles or pushes far beyond 300,000 miles. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more real mechanic secrets. And comment below, what's the highest mileage you have ever seen on an engine with the original spark plugs?